Yeah, man.
You good? Coach, not the kind of result you would have wanted to start the season in a new job as head coach of Kingston College, but tell us, about what happened. Obviously, going a player down so early in the game would have affected the game plan and everything else.
Certainly not the start we wanted. We knew it was going to be difficult. The fact that we were without 4 of our regular starters due to injuries and some technicalities with registration. We had to call upon 8 Colts players and install them in the game today. So it was a very inexperienced and young team out there today. Having said that though, I thought we weren't bad in the first 15 minutes, but when we went down to 10 men, it was always behind the 8 ball against a very possibly the most experienced team in the Manning Cup, having the Hydel team playing with consists of about 5 or 6 Premier League players, and so they had a lot of experience out there. So it wasn't the sort of result that we wanted. I thought we did pretty well, especially towards the first half when we got about 2 or 3 look-ins. Had we converted one of those chances, then the scoreline would have been better going into the half-time break. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with some parts of our game, but clearly we have some work to do. But this game will be better off after this game because some of those players will be back come weekend, some of the most experienced players, and we will learn from this experience.
Yeah, you'll be playing Calabar on the weekend. Obviously, getting back the more experienced players will be key because you don't want to go down 2 losses to start the season in a group that is considered one of the toughest groups in the Manning Cup.
Surely, we have to get ourselves back up. I'm pretty confident that we will give a better account of ourselves on Saturday against Calabar. Having those players coming into the team for that game, and hopefully some of the players that would have showcased themselves today, they would have learned from this experience. And I'm very confident that we'll put up a better show come Saturday. Yeah, man. Thanks.